So let's get into see how multi-ticketing as a feature works in our CSA platform. So as you can see, this is our homepage in our CSA platform, and I myself, Michael, will be here today making you go through how these things work. So we go from service desk to ticket. So as mentioned earlier, multi-ticketing enable MSPs techs to work on multiple tickets in a single time. And with this, what we do is a tech can work on 7 different tickets in a single time. So how that happens, let's get into it. So imagine this is the ticket which I have to work. So before we get into that, this is how our ticket detail pages look like. This is the chat window where we generally chat with the customers. So you have 3 modes in here, which is public, private, and self. So in public, through public mode, a tech will be having a conversation directly with the customer. In private mode, imagine there are more than one tech who is working on a particular ticket. If they want to have a conversation between them and they don't want the customer to know what are those conversations, they can go into private mode. Or if I myself as a tech want to put some notes or a chat which is just related to me, related to the ticket, I can go to self mode and do that. And here you can see you will be seeing ticket ID, what is the issue, description of the issue, if there is any particular tags will be visible here. Ticket properties is like whatever ticket, billable or non-billable, you can see from here. And here you can see checklists. So what checklists do is, if you want to have certain steps for a particular ticket or type of a ticket to be followed by your L1 tag or your tags or any kind of tag, you can create checklist, and those checklists will be visible here. Here you can see you can access notes and time entries, billable settings, product and expensive child ticket, merge ticket, every other information related to tickets will be listed here. So now get back to our stuff. So imagine this is the ticket, one of the tickets I want to work for. So what I will do is I will go here, and this is the icon where you have to go, pin icon, click the pin icon, and you can see the ticket getting pinned here. Start the timer. Once you start the timer, you can see timer icon is visible here, which gives an indication that this particular ticket, its timer is on. So we go back to tickets. This is another one I want to work on. Same process, pin, start the timer, icon will be available. This is another one which I want to work. I will pin and start the timer. So generally in traditional PSAs, techs has to go through multiple tickets back and forth. So what it do is that it creates a lot of confusion in their mind, which ticket are they working on or not. Here, when you are enabling the multi-ticket features, tickets will be listed here. So you just need to pop up as a small chat window generally. So if you have been using LinkedIn, you can see a small window pops up, and in that is where the conversation happens. So similar kind of thing is what is happening here. So you can see a small windows will be popping up. So let me just have, okay, so I'm working for Robin. So he has some issues that like he's not able to access shared drive. So he's saying, got it. So we need to make sure that you need to make sure like what type of mode your chat is on. So public, I will say, got it. Got it. And so send, you can see this icon, this tells you public. So you can see Robin is one of our customers using Teams as an application So we have a multi-channel customer ticketing application, and one of those channels are Teams. So he's been using our IT Connect's Teams channels, and from that the conversation is happening. So that's the icon you have. So again, so let's work for Lily Hernandez. Change to public. Thank you. Okay, so here you go. I can. So this is, you want to minimize, you go here, minimize the chat. So here, so I got a chat reply from Robin. So he said he will wait. So all right. So again, so then I simultaneously I will go to another chat. Lenny 530 said great. I will ping you around. So what does it? So if you've seen through this, so what it does is that it helps the MSPs techs to just focus calmly on getting into the problem, rather than more traditional PSAs. Like you will be bombarded with so many emails, you're going back and forth, replying. Sometimes you lose the trackability of what the progress of the particular ticket is here. But in this, you can just go back and you can see how far the conversation has went and where were you and how it all started. You have a track of everything here. And also, if another way of tech interacting with the customer is through phone. So when tech is with the customer on a phone or working on a ticket, he's just more stressed because customer is more stressed out because the issue is not able to do his job. So he will be screaming at his hide not onto the tech, and he will be under extremely stressful condition in order to resolve that. With multi-ticketing and with a chat-based process, what it do is both the customer and the tech can easily go around about the problem without having too much of distraction from their core work. So both of them can do what they're supposed to do, customer there, his core job, and tech to solve the problem. So this make a very stress-free and a calm environment for tech to do their job productively. So as I said, tech can work on 7 different chats. So we can pin 7 tickets at the same time. In order to do the job. So here it is. So this is how our multi-ticketing feature works. The goal of this whole feature is enabling MSPs techs to do more with less, which is like making sure that they keep up with their SLAs, making sure that they're making most of their time being more productive, and also MSPs are making sure that they're able to increase their bottom line by making sure that they are able to do more.